Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to download a chart from a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so once you have created a chart, it's really easy to download it. Let me show you how it's done. So once you have created it and customized it in a way you like it, what you can do is select the chart, then click on these three dots, and then you have two options. You can also publish the chart. So this might be an easier way if you want to just share the chart with others. You don't have to download it, you can just publish it to the web. But the second option you have is, as I mentioned, to download the chart. And then you have to select download chart here, and then you have three options. You can download the chart in a PNG image, in a PDF, or as a scalable vector graphic, so .svg file format. So let's say we want to download this chart in a PNG, and then we have to select the folder we want to download, then download the file, download started. Now as you can see, I'm on my PC and I was able to download the chart in a nice image PNG file format. So now this is how you can download a chart in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.